Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about a Euro USD expert advisor. We call it BRPR EA. And let me discuss few features of this expert advisor first. This expert advisor is specifically created to trade Euro USD, as I mentioned. It has a time filter. You can customize the BRPR EA to trade for you based on the timing you want to trade. Like, take control of your trading schedule, and you can optimize the result based on your preferred time zone. If you want to trade on US time zone or UK time zone, or like whatever, or Asian time zone, based on your preference. It has an option that you can choose the two-side averaging option. You can choose whether you want to trade one way or you want a two-way averaging. Okay, so with two-way averaging, we are providing our preset files. This ensures that the EA is effectively able to manage trades on both sides, even in changing market trends. There is an option you can compound the risk, a percentage of your balance. You can fine-tune the risk percentage based on your account balance or its growth. Okay, and the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is $1,000 US to trade 0.01 lot size initially. The initial base lot size is 0.01 and the minimum account balance required is minimum 1,000. So let's go to the trading history now. Guys, we are completing 3 months. We have completed 3 months. In fact, we started it from 21st of August 2023, and today is 23rd of November. So we have completed 3 months now. Okay, so I started with 501 US dollar. Okay, but I recommend more than or at least 1,000 US dollar. If you can do better, if you can do 1,500, that is better. Otherwise, minimum 1,000 I used to suggest to trade with this expert advisor. Okay, this is our feasibility testing, and we sometimes used to see that how the EA reacts in certain kind of situations when the balance is low. Okay, so please ignore the first 2-3 trades actually that were taken manually, because I was not aware that I was trading on this particular account. So we are starting from here. Okay, this is all the on the initial lot size of 0.01. Guys, how about the market? Actually, you have seen, like, in the past 10 days, the market is behaving very badly. Actually, the Euro USD and the gold are very crazy. In fact, sometimes we see go out of control. Okay, let me make it a little faster. Generally, you see that 0.01, 0.02 is the and in the worst condition, it has taken maximum lot size of, you can see it over here. Right, the maximum lot size so far has been taken 0.04, right, and we made a profit of 707. That is, we can say 140%. 140% in 140 more than 140. It is 141% in 3 months. And if you see the running trades, these are the running trades right now. However, in the past 2 weeks, actually in the last 10 days, due to the high volatile movements in the Euro USD market, it has given a little bit of drawdown, but I think that is acceptable. Let me show you the FX book link. So here is the my FX book link page, BRPR. Okay, we made around 1.24 so far, right? We started from 21st of August and today is 23rd of November. So this is actually in the last, I think this was in the last 3-4 days or maybe a week, actually, this kind of drawdown that we have seen. So earlier it was around 29%, so somehow it went up to 42%, right? But the monthly returns are pretty good. It's 32.25 and the daily is around 0.94. So it just happened once so far. I mean, earlier it was around I think that was around 27% or something like that, the max. And I recommend to trade with at least 1000 or 1500 is preferable. So like whatever the drawdown you see, we started with $500 right? If you would have started with 1000, then probably you could see a lower number here. Anyways, today we made 0.47%. This week we made 3.88%. This month we made 16.13%, and this year we made plus 141%. These are the running trades we have just seen. 13 point, I think this is I mean, the current trade shows it was updated 30 minutes ago. Okay, no problem. So in August it was 17.5%, in September it was 34.1%, in October it was 31.83%, and November it was 16.13%. Just because I mean, that was huge volatile movements in the market, and we did not increase the lot size. The EA did not increase the lot size, so the trades got hold for a couple of days, right? This happens sometimes. This is a plus point and minus point of martingale. Like in case if it would have used martingale, a higher lot size, then probably would have closed the trades earlier, and at the same time maybe like would have been more risky. We holded the trades for a couple of days, but anyways, this depends on person to person that how it takes. So this is what the EA is. In case if you are interested to trade with this expert advisor, or if you have any question, feel free to contact me via email or Telegram. I have included my Telegram and email details in the video description. Okay, so you are free to reach me by either ways. And also I request you to please join my Telegram channel as well. I have included the description of Telegram channel in the video description. And in case if you are just a viewer so far, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you very much, guys, and I appreciate your time. And I would like to thank you for everything. It's Thanksgiving Day, long weekend, so enjoy your weekdays, enjoy your weekend, and take care. Stay safe and stay happy with your family. And thanks again. Bye.